Sorry frogs, it's time to lose the frog pond. Not a good time when it's winter, but you gotta go. I need my bucket. Alright, I gotta rectify this situation. I'm getting tired of having this problem. I gotta make a kickstand for this thing. Just have to figure out what I'm gonna do and what I'm gonna do with this area. I'm gonna do something. I gotta make something for all my attachments and my oil tank, diesel tank, which I haven't set anything up yet. And I got a pallet here for the extra pads for the tracks on there. It'd be nice to make a racking. I'm gonna do something, but I gotta figure out what. So let me give it some thought. I basically want to keep it something like that, just as long as I can keep all the water and garbage out of this thing, and I can actually get in here and hook up the excavator easily. So I gotta figure out something for this, like maybe to set here, come down, and I'll probably just do it out of wood. Frame something maybe across here and down it like a little bit of a triangle. Well, that was long overdue for the longer that took. I know it's just regular untreated 2x4. Just wanted to test it out and see if this even works. I can remake it out of steel, I can remake it out of treated, but hey, the concept works. That actually should work, and what I like is it's light. I can carry it with me from job site to job site, and now I can actually keep my bucket upright. Pretty simple solution. Why didn't I think of it sooner? Glad I thought of it now, because we were about ready to have tadpoles again. Alright, well, that's one thing. First time we get to try out my kickstand, if you will, in the wild. The ground ain't perfectly level, but I'll tell you one thing, carrying it over here wasn't a hard deal because you just put it in the bucket. Well, I think it might work. I mean, I can always make it out of something better if that does work. Man, yeah. That worked out perfect. Okay.